Welcome to Singapore at night. It is dusk and we have a very kind of special night planned. We have a friend in town. Sally, welcome. Sally from Fairbanks, Alaska.
Hi.
How are you liking Singapore so far?
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
I like seeing my friends.
Woohoo! Yay!
Singapore.
So we are treating Sally to a night out on the town. We're gonna start with one of the most iconic things you could do in Singapore, and that is right here at Raffles Bar, the Long Bar. We are here for Singapore Slings. Should be pretty exciting. Waiting for the car here. After the Singapore Slings, we are going to head to Chinatown and look for some satay. So really just gonna live it up and experience the town kind of as a total tourism kind of things to do. So what do you know about a Singapore Sling, Sally?
I know that there's a lot of different recipes, but it is gin based. It has some sort of cherry liqueur, cherry brandy, lime, soda, and it can have bitters. So I'm gonna be curious if this one has Angostura bitters.
Well, the reason we're here at Raffles in the Long Bar, they say this is thus the original, the invention of the Singapore Sling was at this bar in 1915. So I'm pretty pumped to try it out.
Yeah.
All right, now will they, I'm pretty sure kids are allowed in the bar here. So we'll find that. It might be a really short portion of the video. So we'll go in, we'll check it out. Hopefully they have a Singapore Sling mocktail the kids can experience. But either way, beautiful Raffles Hotel. Okay, yes ma'am. One here and one across. The original Singapore Sling. Looks beautiful.
1915 gin.
1915.
1915 gin sling.
Lemonade goes to the little boy.
You get a lemonade.
Awesome.
Look at yours.
Wow, Forrest. And a couple of Shirley Temples.
Shirley Temple.
Sprite Grenadine. Thank you, ma'am. Look at that, guys.
Oh wow. That is amazing.
So here we are.
In
The
Singapore.
original and the gin. All right, everyone, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Right over there. Wow. Oh, it's a fruity Singapore Sling, is it not?
Yeah.
Now yours is slightly different. Should we trade?
Yeah. We have to try it all.
Okay.
Mine has a little fizz to it.
Fizz,
And
okay.
I don't have a straw. Without the bitters.
Oh, that's nice.
Shirley Temples are good.
That's really good. I might switch.
This one's a little bit stronger.
Yeah, quite delicious. Okay, now Sally.
Granted just said the Shirley Temples are good. His hat gone already.
Granite, what happened? Savor. It's like $12.
Slow it down.
Yes, much better, Cedar, much better. Yes. All right, so of course we've got the bags of peanuts, complimentary.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
And I'm just gonna flash this. You just throw the shells on the floor.
Just like that.
Boom. Well done, Granite. Good demonstration. So excellent. Well worth it, Sally. You came halfway across the world to get that Singapore Sling. Okay, now here's the pop quiz. We've studied. It's all over the walls, kind of the history. So update us now on the Singapore Sling here, Sally.
Okay, so the story is that in 1915 it wasn't socially acceptable for women to consume alcohol, but they were drinking fruit juices and teas, and so the owner of the Long Bar came up with this cocktail that has juices and looks like a fruity juice, and the alcohol's clear, of course, it's gin, so it made it
little
eased in the era of women being able to drink alcohol.
Well done. Super.
So it's a
We
good
like
story.
progressive alcohol laws here. Good job, ladies. Good job. All right.
nice.
I want to try yours now.
Yeah.
All right. So we are going to spend a little time enjoying the ambiance of this historic bar. I mean, the fans alone are so cool. A little crank arm. But we'll spend the next few minutes enjoying the vibe here, eating peanuts, enjoying the drinks, and then we'll move on with the day. But in terms of a touristy thing to do in Singapore, add it to your list. So after those Singapore Slings, really we need kind of that salty treat, and we are here. Granite, you pumped up?
Yes.
for some satay, huh, baby? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we are here, 19 stands of satay to choose from. That is definitely gonna hit the spot. We are gonna explore it all. First trick though is finding a table. Holy cow, this place is packed. Table is secure. Now I'm in charge of ordering, and it looks like I've done a quick peruse. So it looks like all these places have sort of the set menu. So we're probably gonna go that route just since there's 6 of us eating. Although Forrest, I have a hunch he's gonna fall asleep pretty soon. He is definitely like teetering. But okay, so when I look down the line, many stalls are closed, a bunch are open. So I'm gonna try to just pick one that doesn't have a big crowd. And it looks like number 8 here is not so crowded, or I guess no more crowded than anything else. So I'm gonna take a peek at the menu, order up, see what the price is with one of the set menus. All right, just when I was saying that the queue is not too bad, it actually comes way down. I am basically the tail. Well, it's actually even longer behind me now. So it goes, we are moving quick, but it definitely have a long way to go. Reviewing the menu, we're probably gonna go with the set A menu, 28 bucks, that's chicken, mutton, beef, prawn mix. That'll work for our group. But yeah, we're moving okay. This is not so bad. Man, it is a smoky, smell good place. All the different meats going, and these guys are just working non-stop. So basically, you queue, you pay, you get a time to come back to get your order. But this is just a non-stop turnaround. I wonder where they do the prawns. I mean, certainly the chicken, the beef, the mutton. But wow, what an operation. Say, all right, man. Thank you. Have a good day.
Time is 45 minutes.
Awesome. What a spread. Prawns, mutton, chicken. Yeah, this will work. Now to the table, which is way in the back. Can you get an idea from these crowds? I mean, every stall is slammed. Every table is full. This is the place to be. It's only Thursday night. It's not even a weekend yet. So wow, this crowd. Okay, we are back. We are settled. Everybody excited?
Yeah.
Looking good? Prawns, chicken, beef, mutton mix. Kelly, what did you end up with?
I ended up with, so I went Indian, of course.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the easiest veg option I could find. Actually, I found a lot of veg, a lot of Indian veg, but some of the Chinese veg stalls were not open. They're not open, they're coming soon, so that's gonna be really awesome. I even saw a Vietnamese like banh mi sandwich.
Ooh, yummy.
Vegetarian, but it's just not open yet. So we gotta come back to Singapore again.
Is that veg?
Yeah, so this is all veg. This is a dry mix vegetable, aloo, like potato, pea, carrot, onion mix, chana masala, so
Yum.
the garbanzo beans.
One of my faves.
Yes, the go-to, right? Chickpeas, and then a cheese naan. So everybody can dig into this one too.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Sally, is this your first saute ever?
No,
Oh, yeah, plenty of time. All right. Well, first time saute in Singapore?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
I like
Woohoo.
Yeah, I like this.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna dig into what I think is a mutton piece. Everyone pick
Grab
your,
something.
grab at it. Hey, I'm pretty sure that's mutton, or beef. It's hard to say. They kind of mix them together.
Chicken.
You got a chicken? See, it looks like you got chicken. Okay, yeah.
I'm going chana.
Oh yeah,
Oh my gosh.
definitely mutton. Definitely delicious.
Did anyone buy napkins from the napkin vendor?
Nope. No napkins available, but there are ladies that walk around and sell them.
I already spilled on myself.
So it's almost like a candied, sugary finish. That's delicious.
Oh, like a
Some kind of sauce.
It's kind of spicy and really good.
A little spicy, really good. Now you might notice somebody's missing from the group.
only mentally. He's physically here.
This poor guy, did such a good job. He's sitting on 2 chairs, man. This kid can sleep anywhere. So yeah, excellent. Well, the mutton is delicious.
Yes.
How's the chicken, Granite?
Chicken's actually pretty good.
Nice. See, do you liking that chicken? Nice. Is spicy or no? Good.
So I think I got a beef piece.
Ooh, okay, let's go for it. Wow. The chicken totally like falls apart. Super tender. The mutton kind of stuck to the skewer, but the chicken just falls right off. Kel, how you doing down there?
Oh man, this cheese naan is so like stretchy and elasticy. It's amazing.
Yum.
I've got the nice Indian spice going, the burn. It's good.
And we got a mountain of prawns over here. It's a lot of work, but I think it'll be worth the effort.
I'm really regretting not buying napkins.
We should have bought napkins from the lady. She should have been like, no. But then we're like, oh, now we understand.
She should have said, let me tell you, you're gonna need this later.
I'll be back, is what she should have
I'll
said.
be back because I know you're gonna need this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hot mess.
You got cucumbers.
Yeah, cucumbers, onions.
Yeah.
Yeah, they hooked it up. They hooked it up. This sauce is really delicious.
Is this like a peanut saute?
Yeah, it's like a peanut sauce. It's not really so spicy.
No, I'm not sure about.
Yeah,
It has that red oil, so you never know if that's
I know, I'm
spicy or
going-
not.
that's great.
My favorite is the beef.
The beef.
Is that the sweet one that you were telling me about, or is that pork?
I think they're all.
I think the mutton. No pork. Beef, mutton. How much napkin? $4. Okay. Well, who's got money?
I do. I have
She's gonna hook it up.
Wonderful,
Her
yeah.
hands are too messy.
Thank you.
Okay, I got $4.
All right.
Wet wipes. Oh,
Hold on, I got 10.
10.
Thank you. So she knows. She's like, okay, I'll circle back to those guys.
Sloppy in the
Yeah. But what service, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. We'll take it.
Did you give us a second one? It's too deep.
I don't know.
I
Facial.
gave her
Oh,
5.
you gave her an extra bit.
Yeah, so
Okay.
she gave us an extra bit.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Cool.
a
Well, that's
really-
great.
it's a partnership.
Perfect. Well, that worked out well. Now, if only like the beer vendors would walk by, but you guys got a couple of beers.
Beer.
Summer IPA from
All right.
Archipelago Brewery.
It's still, yeah.
I wonder where that is. The brewery?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, it stands over there.
No.
Where the actual brewery is.
Yeah, I don't know anything about like the
The beer scene here.
Singapore, but the beer is good.
Yeah, I'm sure it's virtuous.
Yeah, and Cal, how's the mixed?
It's delicious. It's like hearty and great, like just gravy and full of flavor, and potatoes, peas, corns, everything I love.
Well, for a Thursday night, man, this place is a hopping. Yeah.
It's crazy inside as well.
Yeah, it's busy everywhere. So pretty awesome between the Singapore Slings, the Satay, big towers. Yeah, man.
Great scene. It's not raining. It's
Got lucky with the weather, huh?
yeah. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna dig into one of these prawns real quick, but all in all, pretty epic spot. All right, so got that prawn hitting that sauce. Ooh, you all right, bud? Stabbed yourself. Ah,
The prawn.
yeah. Oh no. I
Oh,
hope you don't get like prawn disease. No, it doesn't. All right, so the prawn. Excellent. I'm gonna double dip. Sorry, everybody.
well, there's like 4 of them.
The charcoal flavor, outstanding. I hope you enjoyed that look into the touristy side of Singapore. I mean, with the Singapore Slings, Satay Street. This place is awesome.
Yeah.
Sally, how'd you like it? Yeah, man, met the needs.
start to-
Awesome. Singapore's a fantastic city. If you're interested in more of our Singapore videos, check out the playlist. We have a ton of videos. If you're interested in street food, we have a wide variety to choose from. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next episode. All right, one last surprise, of course, is burnt cheesecake, an absolutely must-do as a tourist here in Singapore. They're available all over the city. I mean, I would say tourists or not, right?
Yeah, I think it's a thing to do.
It's the thing to do. So the burnt cheesecake, these came from 313 at Somerset. And by the way, if you're curious about this apartment, you can click the video right up there. But okay, should we dig in?
Let's dig in.
Burnt cheesecake. Is this the first for everybody?
Yeah.
First for me.
First for me.
All right. Wow, that's soft.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. That's just fluffy,
That is
creamy,
good.
delicious. All right, well, we are going to indulge. By the way, like kids are long in bed. It is almost 11 o'clock at night. So what a night.
We
Good.
got this at 10:30 at night.
Still any time of the day you can get that burnt cheesecake.
Yeah.
But what a great look into Singapore. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next episode.